Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jeff Moore, author of the book Trading Part-Time, where I teach people how to trade stocks, bonds, options, and Forex. And in this lesson, we're going to attempt to buy Timicoins. We're going to attempt for the very first time to buy Timicoins from our Coinbase account to actually purchasing the Timicoins. And this is our first time ever doing it. So if we can do it, you can do it. So let's get into the video lesson. Create a Coinbase account, right? Coinbase is our coin wallet. This is not going to be a lesson on Coinbase, but you need to create, you need to have some type of coin wallet, right? Now, what I'm going to do is, I've also got, so if you see here, LATOKEN. LATOKEN is an exchange. And let me log in really quick. All right. So this is where Timicoin is on right. LATOKEN. So let's see here. Again, this is the first time I've done this, and so if I can do it, anybody can do it. So I'm going to go over here to wallet. You got trading, and you got wallet. And right here is Ethereum. So I am going to deposit money, right? I'm going to take this code right here, copy this code, and again, it's the first time I'm trying this, guys. If it doesn't work, I'll lose some money, but that's okay. We're willing to give it a shot. I got windows pulled up everywhere, right there. So now we're going to go here, look at portfolio, right? We're going to go to my accounts. Again, we're doing this on the fly. Ethereum. Make sure you do not, when you copy that code and you paste that code, paste it in the right spot, right? You don't want to put Ethereum with Bitcoin. So right here in your Coinbase wallet, so if this is your Coinbase account, you go to accounts. Here we go. I'm going to go to Ethereum wallet and I'm going to hit send. And I'm going to copy that code and let's just test it out. Let's just do $100. All right. You know, since this is our first time, let's just do $50. Okay, 50. Ethereum. Let's just put transfer to LA token. Okay, pretty easy, right? So wallet address, recipient, I just pasted the code that I got from Coinbase. Continue. Okay, enter the two-step verification code provided by the app. So let's go here to take our app. We need this authenticator code. So let's do that. 917645. Continue. Your transaction is on the way. All I did was, you have to download this Google Authenticator app. So go to the Play Store and it says Authenticator. Just download it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to sync that Authenticator with Coinbase, and it just has this number that keeps changing, right? And so you just input the number, no big deal. Again, Google Authenticator, really simple. View details. Here we go. It's pending. We're transferring it to LATOKEN. Price per coin, 357. We know that. That's what the price of Ethereum right now is. We transferred $50, so it's $50.32. And it says it's pending. So let's see. Let's go over to our LATOKEN. Right there. Let's just see here. Never done this before, guys. It's the first time. So I'm looking at my balance. It's still over here at 0. So we're going to pause it for a minute, give it a couple minutes, and see if it actually gets deposited in that account. So we'll be back. All right, everybody. We're back. Okay. Hey, why didn't y'all tell me a minute ago that my hat was crooked, right? Well, my hat's good now. Okay. So we just attempted that transaction that we were talking about. So one of the things that we'll do is, when I go back over here to my Coinbase, now it says that I sent the money. So it says that I sent $50.32. So let's hope it went to the right place. All right. So pulling it up here, going back over here. Let's refresh this. This is LATOKEN, right? And bam, look, US dollars 50. Well, it says US dollars 50, and this is how much Ethereum we got. This is how much Bitcoin. So now we're going to attempt to buy Timicoin. We have never done this before, but we're going to attempt it right now. So I'm going to go over here to trading. And let's go to Ethereum. And let's see if we can find Timicoin versus Ethereum. You know what? Let's just do this. There we go. Timicoin against Ethereum. Again, this is our first time we're doing it, so let's just check this out together. Right now it's 45 cents. So we're going to attempt this. We might lose our money, but we're going to attempt it. Right? So we got Timicoin versus Ethereum. To enter the price of Ethereum, significantly different in the current market. Are you sure you would? Okay. To enter the entered price. Okay, cancel that. We ain't doing nothing. Hang on. We're going to go to... Alright, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take that number up here. We're going to tempt this. So we're just putting that number up here, right? We've never done this, so we're actually going to give it a shot. Price 0.000451 buy. Error. Minimum order amount is 1. Okay, so don't have a clue what the heck's going on. So I'm going to take 50 bucks, divide that by 45 cents. That's 111. So let's buy 111 Timicoins. We're going to attempt this. So what we did was we put the price up here, price in Ethereum, and then we're buying 111 Timicoins because I divided the $50 by the price. Let's see if this works. Buy. Your order has been created. Okay. So we are buying Ethereum at this price. We don't even know if we did this right. 111, and we've got an order in to buy. We're gonna erase that, so we erased it. Let's buy it a little bit higher. Let's buy it at 46 cents. Maybe somebody will sell it to us. We're selling a little bit above the market, but that's okay. And we're buying. So if it's gonna do a 46 cents, let's take 500 divided by. Let's go 500 divided by 46 cents. Well, not 500, 50 bucks, sorry. $50 divided by 46 cents, 108. So we're going to do 107. Your order has been created. Okay. I don't even know if we did it right, guys. Value of Ethereum. We want to buy 107 Timicoins. Let's see. It worked, guys. It worked. So, well, it says balance 107 Timicoins. I can't do this anymore. So it looks like I just bought 107 Timicoins. I have no idea if I actually did that, but it says balance. So let's go back over here to our wallet. Let's go to active orders. No, transactions. Okay, order history. Filled Timicoins we got 107. So we just did it. Let's just make sure, guys. I just want to make sure we got this. Okay, so count, trading, wallet. Just making sure, guys. I think we did it. So we put that order in Ethereum. Transactions. Well, we know we completed that. Active orders. No active orders. Order history. Buy. So I canceled this. That's it. We got filled. We have us 107 Timicoins in our wallet. That's it. That's how you do it, guys. So if I can do it, you can do it. But hopefully that helps, and we'll see you on the next video. Again, hi, don't forget. I'm Jeff Moore, author of the book Trading Part-Time. And again, this is new to me. I teach people how to trade stocks, bonds, options, Forex, and the whole shebang with the book. But we did this, and if we did it, you can do it. All right, everybody. Peace. All right, everybody. What do you think? If I can do it, you can do it, okay? All right. So until next time, everybody, I am Jeff Moore, author of the book Trading Part-Time, where I teach people how to trade stocks, bonds, options, and Forex. And if I can do this, you can do this. All right, everybody. See you next time.